So we have talked about these few options here, and as you're familiar with this select and move, select and rotate, the scale, and now we are going to discuss something about these things. As you have seen, this is the snap toggle buttons here. We have snap toggle, angle snap toggle, percent snap toggle, and the spinner snap toggle here. So here are a little arrow, just click on that, and as you can see we have the 2D snaps, 2.5 and 3D. Just click on that 3D. As you can see, let me show you what I meant with that. We have a sphere, just minimize the size of that, and I want the sphere to move across the box's corners. Just select the sphere, and as you can see I can snap him to the corners of that box. So that is a little bit of snaps user. So 3D snaps means snaps one object to another. Just control Z key to make him undo. Now here is another option. Just right click on that snaps toggle and you can see the grid and snap setting here. We had discussed that thing and these all buttons here in our earlier videos, so you can check them by detail there. So we have grid points on for yet. We can on the pivot point. When we check this pivot point on, now we will snap according to the pivot point. We can snap according to the vertices. Let me show you what I mean. Just select these and move that. As you can see, we are snapping according to the vertices. Let me show you. As you can see here, as you can see, our object just suddenly be there where the vertices are. As you can see here on the corner we have the vertices, and we can snap our object to that vertices. Just let me off that now. As you can see, I'm not able to move my object according to the vertices. Let me undo that. So here we have the faces. We can move our snaps with the faces, grid lines, bound boxes, tangent, and many other things. For now, let me just check on the grid points. You can on or off snaps in a very short key on your keyboard with simple pressing the S key. As you can see, with pressing the S key you can on the snaps, with pressing the off key you can off the snaps. So here is a little bit about the snap toggle. Here is another snapping option, angle snapping toggle. Let me show you what do that. Okay, I have selected my box here, and I come here and select the rotate, or simply go and click the E shortcut key on your keyboard, and there is the rotate command. Now I want to rotate my object. As you can see, it's rotating irregularly, and it's rotating where I want to rotate. Here you can see the numbers are in a down here on the Z coordinate button. You can see the angle of the rotation. What the angle snap do? Just make these snaps on, and now when we rotate, our object just go and rotate within particular space. As you can see here, now we can rotate our object easily to any of the angle we want. Here is some other options here. Just right click on that, and you can see here a little window, grid and snap setting. Now we can also rotate with that buttons here. So here are some of the options of snaps: preview radius, snaps radius, angle. So what is the angle? There is types I want to rotate that object with the toggle on, just to type 20 and hit enter. Now when I rotate this object, this will be automatically turn the angle after the 20%. As you can see, it's 80, 100, 140, 120, 160, 180, 200, 220, and after every the 20 figures the object will be rotate and snap. Let me change it to 5 for now. Just close that. So here are the percent snap toggle, and that works with the scaling tool selected. So let me select the scale tool or simply press R key on your keyboard. We have a scale tool here. Just press the, be sure the angle snap is off here because we don't need it anymore. Just click on the percent snap toggle and on it. As you can see, now we are snapping our object after every 10%. For example, I mean to say that my object is getting bigger after 10 times. Just come here, let me show you what I mean. Just right click on that, and as you can see here, we have the same window, something like these slabs. We have percent here, and that is on 10. Just let me type 30 on that. And now you can see here, oh, let me on this. Now you can see here my object is getting bigger, 10%, and now I type 30, so it's getting bigger 30% than before, as you can see. Now let me off this percent snap toggle, and I again scale my object. Now as you can see, my object can be scaled or descaled easily, and it's moving freely. So